are going to love the 2014 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power windows, bucket seats, power door locks, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.